Hi, in this lesson, let's see how to create DSA campaigns through editor. Okay, so I am opening editor now. So the first thing you have to do is get recent changes. Okay, and wait few more seconds. Okay, see, you can observe what are the things that are downloaded and click on done. So as I told you, in order to upload any target through editor, you need to follow certain format, right? So in the previous lessons, we have seen some formats, right, respective to the those targetings. So let's see how we can upload or how we can create these DSA campaigns through editor. Okay, so going into keywords and targetings, here look for dynamic targets. You see here, this is the dynamic targets. So we have already created, right, in the engine. So these are those campaigns. Okay, so I'm going into multiple campaigns. Here, if you see, what are the required columns that are needed in order to create or in order to upload any of the targets to DSA campaigns. Okay, so one is campaign name is compulsory, ad group is compulsory. Okay, and here it is dynamic ad target condition and dynamic ad target value. These two are compulsory. Okay, with this we can create or we can upload the DSA campaigns. Okay, so as I told you, so if there are no any DSA campaigns that are already present in the account, it is very difficult, because you don't know how or what is the format that you have to follow, right? So if you don't know any format that how you have to follow in the DSA through editor, when you wanted to upload through editor, okay, I suggest you copy or you create one campaign in engine and download it into editor. Okay, and you copy that format into the Excel or Google Sheets and you can replicate the same format for the campaigns that you wanted to make bulk uploads. Okay, this is the best strategy. So because we don't remember all those targetings, all those formats. It is not possible, right, in order to remember all those formats from all these targetings, right? So let's see here. Okay, so I am copying it, Control C. Okay, I'm going into Google Sheets and paste. Okay, adjust the columns. You see here, so as I told you, this dynamic target condition and dynamic target value, these two are the two required conditions. Okay, two required columns in order to upload through editor. So what is this dynamic target condition? We have discussed it, right? So URL equals to page content URL. Okay, this is URL contains. Okay, custom label. These are the conditions. And what are the values? The requirement. Okay, if it is URL equals to, you have to give the URL. Okay, if page content is, this is the page contains, so you have to give that respective text. This is URL contains, you have to give that respective string of the URL. Okay, this is page title contains. Okay, this is URL equals. So this is how you have to upload. Okay, let's upload one. Okay, so here I am taking a new sheet and I am taking ad group and campaign. Okay, and here I am taking dynamic target condition and dynamic target value, right? So let's upload it into this campaign. This is the campaign, right, we have created. Let's upload it into this one. Okay, URL equals to only, let's take this only, right? So what is the condition? It is URL equals to, right? You take this condition, copy, paste, and let's go to the website. Okay, let's go to the website and so these are the two required columns. Okay, dynamic add target condition and dynamic add target value. So let's say I wanted to target this chessboard. I copy this URL and I paste it here. Okay, copy, go to editor, make multiple changes, my data includes, and paste, process. That's it. One URL is added. Review and finish. You see, you are getting me right. How you can add? If you want, you can also give the max EPC through this Google Sheets only. Okay. So it is up to you. What are the changes that you wanted to make, and what are the columns that you wanted to update? Okay, it is up to you. Okay. So you can also add negative dynamic targets in the similar way. Okay. So see here. Okay, I'm rejecting this. You see this one, dynamic add targets negative. You see we have added one, right? So I'm copying it. So let's see what are the required columns. Okay, copy. So here I am pasting it. Please observe. So campaign, we have added it at the campaign level. If you observe in the previous lesson, we have added it. Okay. So here, what is the condition we have used? URL equals to, I have told you, right? The best practice to add negative dynamic targets is URL equals. Okay. And while uploading through editor for the negative targets, you have to mention this criterion type. Okay. This is the criterion type here. Okay. Campaign negative. So what are the required columns? So campaign, if you are adding at the ad group level, you have to also map this ad group name and dynamic ad target condition 1 and the dynamic ad target value 1 and the criterion type. It has to know, right, that this is a negative target. So this is also very important. That is campaign negative. Okay. So using these columns, you can upload it through the editor in the make multiple changes tool, and you can click on process, and this will be added to the editor. So after completion of this upload, after you upload it into the editor, after reviewing your changes, don't forget to click on post, otherwise they will won't be reflected in the engine. Okay, without reflecting in the engine, they won't be shown to the users. Okay, they won't be any kind of optimization done to the account. Okay, so whatever you do here, it is offline. When you post only, they will go online. Okay, so I hope you have understood this lesson. So this is very simple concept but very important concept. Okay, so I suggest once again you to practice. Okay, so we will meet in the next lesson.